Damnoen Saduak Floating Market of Ratchaburi Province, a yarn market that preserves the culture of merchandise floating along the canal, is not only for Thai people, but for foreigners as well. Here visitors may learn the past ways of life, in which the canals was utilized as the mainstream for merchandise and travel. Less than 100 kilometers from Bangkok, Damnoen Saduak Floating Market is where both Thai and foreigners prefer to visit and relish in the local lifestyles, which may not exist in the city. And here, there are a plethora of services, including barges and motorboats all around the market and canal community. There are various types of merchandise floating along the canal. Thai food and fruit such as grilled banana, mango with coconut cream, sticky rice, and noodles, allowing everyone to stop by and indulge. Though this floating market may appear crowded, it is a very attractive and colorful place worth visiting. Foreign visitors who have never been exposed to the floating lifestyle before are sure to be excited by the strange yet welcoming atmosphere. Besides the many kinds of foods available, there are many souvenir shops along the canals as well. The most crowded point of the market stretches over about 200 meters. It would take around 30 minutes to go through and take a look at everything in the market. Besides taking a tour by boat, visitors can take a tour by walking, as there are many souvenir shops and restaurants as well. Damnoen Saduak Canal was dug in 1866 by laborers connecting Meklong and Tajin rivers. The canal is very long and strange. King Rama V named it Damnoen Saduak for its convenient attributes suitable for travel and therefore remains the name of this canal today. The colorful Thai lifestyle of Damnoen Saduak Floating Market is visibly conserved. It shows the relationship of life in the past, which was connected to water both in travel and merchandising. Even though those things have faded, Damnoen Saduak has still kept and maintained Siam style as well.